So this here is the new electric foldable bike I bought on Amazon. Assembly was done at home, as was all the little annoying things like I had to align and adjust both brakes. I've got my old one over here. Good old trusty one on standby, just in case. This one's only a 500 watt motor, 36 volt, but I put over 500 miles on that last year, whatever that is in kilometers. So we got the new one over here. It's got a 750 watt motor. And we'll take it for a test spin right now. This could be interesting. This is literally my first time riding this thing. Power on. Let's have some fun. Whoops, forgot to actually... There we go. Holy crap! Brake check. Brakes work. Just to my left is the Foldable River. A little bit early in the year, but I could have gone kayaking on that. not bad. Did 13 miles on the inaugural ride, and the bike did perfect. It's absolutely got more power to pull me up hills than the old one, and the fatter tires let me stay stable even on loose sandy stuff, and I think I'm gonna have a heck of a lot of fun with this thing this summer. This is awesome. Time to light a fire, cook a little food, drink a lot of beers, maybe a twisted tea. Ciao.